Game boy.
Big Benzo gon' pull up in a Benzo ho.
Looking in that motherfucking focus.
And now, I'm gonna mix this back up. Link you can see all the seasonings, the herbs throughout. You doing that right? Do you like this one?
It's a good one.
A nice one.
When do you do that?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you always want to move the oil down so it don't splash on you. So you throw it in there.
It's like frizzy.
It's like frizzy. It's like chemistry?
Yeah.
That's why the name is going to be cooking with chemistry. Cooking with chemistry.
That's the name of the YouTube channel name?
No, that's the name of the cooking show for the series.
Cooking with chemistry?
Yeah, because we already had a show like that.
You should just do season 1.
Our first episode.
You know the chicken is done when you turn it up on the inside and there's no blood coming out and it's looking fresh and white. That's how you know it's done. How you know it's done.
Game boy.
Yeah, so now we got the wings done. All we need to do is make half of these limited, half these Henny barbecue, and we about to make that in a second. You already know. We live in the hood. We having fun, all that. Get that on me. Right there. That's 3, L. Butter in there. A little bit of sauce with it. Mix that around a little bit, you know, get that butter in there. Next, we have a little bit of soy sauce. Put that in. I'm matching my Henny. Kyle's matching his. Now we just cook to a boil until it gets to our desired texture. Oh, he was doing it.
I was.
Yeah, so now we got the wings and Henny sauce. All we gotta do is just mix them up. Keep it moving. Until the sauce gets all over the wings. Then we're gonna let it cook in for a little bit, let it kind of get it. And then move it around a little bit more. I'm gonna show you all right now. Do it. Alright.
Go ahead, I don't know what you want.
Bro, give me 2, bro. Get like. What is it?
Give it.
Some are gonna be lemon pepper. That better not be trash. That better not be trash.
Close up in the face. On some camera
Niggas and now it's still on acres.
They know who they want to see.
No, they shit. No, they got me a lady baby. Like, how many cops putting your videos in?
Hey, turn back. What are you doing, bro?
We both can.
So that side,
It don't pop up on you.